this video, we'll cover how to create a recommendation table report to summarize the recommendations made for a grower.
Click on Generate Output Report, Recommendation Table. Okay. Report time frame, still the first one here, so you'll be able to see all this information, sort by with any of these columns, just whatever you're needing to do. And in this case, the way that this report is set up, it may especially make more sense to have the more recent rec target dates up on top, just to make sure it's very clear what needs to be done next. So click on the print preview, see what it looks like. Now, this is a table, and if you have quite a few different data fields included here, or quite a bit of information in it, you might get this warning saying that the width of the page is not wide enough to show all of the columns. You can change the margins or change the data in it to deal with that if you're wanting to print it. Okay, so what I can do, just as a view here, so I've got the farm and field, I've got the crop, I've got the area to apply here, okay, and then I've got these other columns on the actual information that needs to be applied. Okay, let me go in and deal with, I'm going to go into options here. Let's just say that I want to make sure that this all fits on the same page. By default, this is in landscape. Okay? And what I want to do is take some of these other varieties off. So I don't want to include, say, the crop. Let's take that off. Okay, and I don't really need the farm. Okay, so now I've got all of my columns here. Other rec column seems to be the reason that, and I could just take that off, but actually what I can do is actually do that. I'm going to take off all categories. So this is one place where you use all categories here. So instead of having every treatment category here, I can unselect all of them and then just make sure that only my crop protection categories are going to be included. Okay. So when I hit print preview, then I'll be able to see what this looks like. Okay. Actually, go ahead and put that crop back in. That is usually one that I want to. Okay. So basic point is you can change what's in there, and very quickly go in and change the options, and that report is going to be immediately changed. Now, this list, each field is a row here, and then each column is a chemical treatment that's going to be occurring on there. Okay. And then just wherever the field matches up with the chemical treatment, it's going to show what the rate is, as well as the gallons per acre. Okay. Now, then down on the bottom, it totals up how much is needed of each chemical. So this is the total amount of glyphosate needed. This is the total amount of 2,4-D needed, total amount of Cobra, on down the line.